Good morning. So I'm finally ready for work. I'm wearing this new dress that I just got from Amazon and I'm obsessed with it. It is so freaking comfortable, so cute. It comes in a ton of colors. I'm wearing it in black, obviously, and I feel like it will layer nicely too in the winter, like put a sweater over it and do like that belted sweater hack. Have y'all seen that? I think it's gonna be really cute. So anyways, making my iconic protein coffee. I actually haven't had this lately. I haven't filmed a lot of YouTube videos, so y'all would not know that, but I've been drinking hot coffee actually on most mornings. But today I'm feeling the protein. So we got that. I use almost the whole thing, so I just track it as the whole thing because it's like literally to here. 140 calories, 20 grams protein. I'm gonna hurry, but I also am gonna make some taco soup to bring with me. I might go to lunch with my dad, but I don't know. So let's pack some taco soup as our backup option. All right, y'all, we are on the way to work. Definitely give that taco soup recipe a try. That is the exact recipe I used all through college. I learned it from my friend Amanda. Everyone on our sorority, it was like when you joined our sorority, we taught you how to make taco soup. It's just a staple. It's a staple meal. It's honestly good on calories. You can use ground turkey if you want. You can really add anything you want. I do have a version of it on my recipe blog where I kind of bulked it up with veggies. You can make that. I didn't do that this time. I just used the OG recipe and it's delicious. I actually probably need to go ahead and freeze it tomorrow, anything that's left. It also freezes really well. And then you just put it in a pot on low with the lid on, a little bit of water, and let it just simmer all day. You could also throw it in the Crock-Pot frozen and let it just come back to warm goodness. So, I might, though, like I said, go to lunch with my dad. He was out of town last week, and then we had like a thing at work yesterday where they gave us lunch. So we haven't really got to catch up. So if he doesn't have other lunch plans, I'm thinking we might go to lunch. So that's my plan for today. I'm going to start by drinking my protein coffee. I also have a breakfast casserole, but I left it at work for the week. I took it there yesterday. And so it was just already in the fridge ready for me. So breakfast casserole, it has hash browns, egg whites, spinach, tomatoes. It's freaking delicious. It is delicious. Morgan said it's like one of the best things that I've ever made. He's like one of the best breakfast items. It's so good. He's obsessed with it. So I'm excited to share that recipe with you. It's going to be such a good one. And yeah, that's pretty much it for right now. I'm going to go to work. I'm going to listen to my podcast, and I'll catch up with you guys either at lunch or after work. All right, y'all, here is the Crock-Pot breakfast casserole. It was so good. It reheated well, and I'm so surprised on how thick it turned out. So let me show you how I made it. Started out with a full bag of these Simply potatoes, shredded hash browns. Mine were refrigerated, and I would recommend using refrigerated over frozen. Seasoned that up with some garlic pepper. Actually seasoned all of my layers with garlic pepper. Mix that around, and then sort of pat it into the Crock-Pot to make a crust. Then I cooked up a pound of lean turkey sausage, poured that over the top as well, kind of just make sure it's all flattened. Then I mixed up 6 eggs and about half of a carton of egg whites, whisked those together, seasoned them really well, and then I added in a couple cups of frozen spinach. Chopped spinach works great for this. You can also use fresh. I think that would be really good because I do think mine had to cook an extra 30 minutes or so just because of the water content from the frozen spinach. So definitely use fresh if you want. Pour that over the top, and then I topped mine with Roma tomatoes, but you can add any vegetable or leave that part out. I cooked it on low for about 3.5 hours, just until the middle was completely set. Put some cheese on top, turned the Crock-Pot off, put the lid back on, and just let the cheese melt. The cheese side was for Morgan. I did mine with no cheese, so either way you want to do it, is great. It turned out so beautiful, and then you can pull the whole thing out onto your countertop using the liner, which is why the liner is so important. I cut mine into 8 servings, about 150 calories each, and it turned out so delicious. All right, moving on to lunch. It is a little bit hard for me to film and talk when I'm at work, so we're doing another quick recipe. Let me show you how I made this really good taco soup. This is all of the ingredients you need: some corn, 3 types of beans, 3 cans of beans, whichever you prefer. These are the 3 I use. 2 cans of Rotel, and you're gonna add that to 1 pound of ground beef that's already been seasoned with taco seasoning. Dump everything in. I don't drain the cans, but you absolutely can. This is a recipe where I'm trying to do the least. So if you want to drain and rinse everything, feel free, but you'll definitely want to supplement the liquid with a couple cups of stock or broth. Then you're gonna add in another taco seasoning packet and a ranch seasoning packet. This, I just used my own, about 3 tablespoons is what you need, and that's it. Mix it all together, simmer it for 20 to 30 minutes, and you're ready to go. So it's now after work, it's 4:30 on the button, and I'm running to Walmart to pick up a grocery order because we're doing my mom's Italian beef recipe later in the week. I wanted to eat them on the Joseph's pitas. We make sandwiches, usually on a big sub roll, and it's so delicious, but want to save a little bit of calories, make a favorite, but make it a little lighter. So instead of the sub rolls, I want to use the Joseph's pitas, and we'll still melt the cheese on top. I think it's going to be really delicious. But they don't sell those at H-E-B, so I had to place a Walmart order. And I'm going to go get that right now. I also added some stuff. Morgan wants smoothies. We're running a little bit low on our frozen fruit, so I picked up some frozen fruit, bananas, a couple things of almond milk. And I think that's mostly it. Some cheese for sandwiches too, because we're out of that. But yeah, not a huge haul, just a little pickup order. Gonna grab that and then go home. And I think tonight we're going to make buffalo chicken pasta, a high protein, lower-ish calorie meal, and I'll probably have it with a salad, I'm thinking. So I'm excited to share that with y'all. I haven't made buffalo chicken pasta in a really long time, so I think it's going to be good. Stay tuned for that. I'm loosely following a TikTok recipe. That has been my go-to for recipe inspiration lately. So if you're not on TikTok looking at recipes, I don't know what you're doing with your life. It's where it's at. So many cool ideas, so many just unique. Sometimes I feel on Pinterest I get on and it's the same recipes, same every single time. And it just gets old. So TikTok has really brought a new breath into recipe life.
What are you doing? This is not necessary. If you're not exiting, thank you. Good Lord. I don't know who does that. Literally cut me off to get in front of me and then didn't move over to the exit. You didn't need to cut me off then, but they exited. So I guess you're forgiven.
You're just a little missing a screw. So yeah, I'll show you the dinner recipe whenever I get home. It's gonna be a good one. I'm pumped, having such a good day. I swear, wearing a dress and being comfy but so cute at work does wonders for my mood. I'm always in a good mood when I'm wearing a dress to work, or a skirt or something. They're just so freaking comfortable, and you look really put together, and all you did was throw on one article of clothing and run out the door. And it's just a 10 out of 10. I'm obsessed. Definitely I'm going to order this in another color. I'm thinking green, or I wonder if they have a rust, a red color. I feel would be cute too. So I don't know. I'll keep you guys updated if I end up ordering one. But yeah, I'm almost to Walmart, so that's all for me. I'll see you when we get home, and we'll make a really bomb dinner. All right, y'all, I thought I'd just show you what I picked up at Walmart. So I did get 2 packs of the pitas. These freeze pretty well too, so I'll probably throw 1 pack in the freezer. Got a coffee, a restock. This is the kind we always get, community coffee, nothing else. Also got the Rice Krispie Treats creamer. We love this one and they don't have it anywhere else. And I'm just like wanting it. I know we said we weren't gonna buy Coffee Mate, but I forgot. So here we are.
Oh.
Whoops. 2 things of unsweetened almond milk. Almond milk just lasts forever, so might as well. Like, it's literally good until December. So, perfect. Got some cheese for sandwiches just to have on hand. And then I couldn't decide on which fruit, so I got dragon fruit, frozen strawberries, frozen blueberries, mix, which is pineapple, strawberry, peaches, and mango. I personally love this one the most. Got some bananas, and then also this heel balm. My feet aren't terrible, but I'm just like on a mission to have the most beautiful soft feet of life. And I'm going to give this a go because it was $5. All right, y'all. So we've got the chicken pretty much cooked up at this point. This is the one I'm using from my store brand, H-E-B. But like Walmart makes these, all sorts of different stores. So we're having that, the whole package. I'm about to season it up with a little ranch seasoning. This is just the Hidden Valley one. I just put it in a cute jar from Target. Our water is almost boiling and we are using the Barilla protein pasta noodles. Also have some cheese bread over there. Yeah. And this is what we're using for the sauce. So Laughing Cow cheese, some Philadelphia cream cheese in the tub, and the Frank's Red Hot wing sauce. I specifically like the buffalo wing one better than the regular Red Hot. And that is what we're gonna combine for the sauce. So I'll show you how that comes together. All right, y'all, added some pasta water. Sorry, I forgot to film that part. It's looking delicious, creamy. We're about to dump in the pasta. Babe, you want to add some in?
Oh, yeah.
Maybe do like half. Let's just see. I don't want to overdo the pasta, you know.
Mm-hmm. And it was only like a 1/4 cup of water, I think. Right?
Yeah. Just going to mix it all up and I'll show you when it's plated. All right, y'all, dinner is done. It looks amazing. It tastes amazing. It honestly tastes like 10 times better than it looks, I won't lie. So I've got a good little helping of the buffalo chicken pasta, and I did a little Caesar salad on the side. So that is dinner. Also, I always get questions about these bowls. This is what they look like. They are from Walmart. Believe it or not, they're like under $5 a piece. We have a set of 4, and we love them. We use them whenever you don't really know if you want a bowl or a plate. We use these.